Hi friends, good day. Today I am taking out one more problem. Seventh problem. Delhi Football Club gives you the following balance sheet dated 31st December 2014. It's a typing mistake. 15 has been given. You make correction 2014. Capital fund is opening balance sheet. Opening balance because we need to prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st December 15 and balance sheet as on that date. So in this problem we are having tournament fund specific fund is given, prize fund specific fund is given. Whenever you are having any specific fund, I think you should be focusing on that. And that too, this tournament fund is in the form of investment. That means whenever a specific fund has been created, generally the fund is nothing but the source with which you want to use that money for conducting the tournaments, or you want to use that fund for distributing of prizes. So what they do generally, this amount whatever they raise, the source is a huge amount you need, generally that will be invested. When you need it, they may be selling it and they may be getting the money for conducting the tournament or distributing of prizes. Okay my dear friend, just to have a clarity, like if this fund investment is not there, it will be somewhere in cash at bank or cash in hand. Okay, so here he has given that the fund, that prize fund that has been raised has been invested. This is one aspect. The second aspect which you will be looking, whenever any receipt relating to fund is there, it can be donation or it can be interest on investment or tournament fund, or any expenses for conducting the tournament, or any income on prize fund, or any income on prize fund investment, or any expenditure on prize fund is to be adjusted from respective funds. That you should see here. We are having subscription or 10 lakhs, you know, that will be taken to income and expenditure. Donations for tournament fund, this donations for tournament fund is to be added to tournament fund. Clear? Try to understand. And similarly donation prize fund is also to be taken to prize fund, because whenever any receipt on that is to be added. And similarly I am just focusing on this first. Then expenses for tournament 50,000, expenses for prizes is 50,000 also to be, and this 40,000 also to be, come on, first tournament is to be deducted from tournament fund. This prizes expense also to be adjusted from prizes fund. It means any receipt, just to explain I am writing, any expense on tournament, any expense on prizes, any receipt on tournament, any receipt on prizes is to be adjusted to tournament fund in the balance sheet, but that will not be taken to where income and expenditure account. To illustrate this point I have explained you. I hope you got the clarity on this, right? Okay. So today what you learned, any income or any receipt on that particular specific fund is to be adjusted to specific fund. Then we got some other information like income from investments. Or what is income from investment? We got some income from investment here, other investment, on that you have received income, and this will be taken to income and expenditure. Subscription also will be taken to income and expenditure. Okay. Excuse me. Then we also should see sports material 2,50,000 and repair to the ground 50,000. Repair sports material means like you have made payment for sports material. Repairs to ground 50,000. Wages to the office staff is 2,50,000. So we discuss about sports material later on. Repairs to ground is a revenue, it is to be debited to income and expenditure. Wages to office staff is expenditure, debited to income and expenditure. Expenses for tournament 50,000. Expenses for prize, this I have already explained. Construction cost of club building, that means you have started constructing the club building. For that they have spent, you don't have any donation for building, so you use the bank balance maybe for construction of the club building. Construction cost means they have constructed a building. Then outstanding expense during the year, audit fees 3,000, you know, will be having double effect. It will be debited to income and expenditure, balance sheet, liability. So is the case of stationery, so is the case of fees of coach, so is the case of bills of the supply sports material. That means sports material amount paid for sports material this year 2,50,000. Still outstanding amount is 25,000. Sports material is different, sports equipment is different. So sports material 25,000 is outstanding. This is outstanding expenses now, and this is payment is being made. Now the point is that I would like to tell you, you got current liabilities here without having for what this current liabilities has been maintained. Now I am assuming here, since the problem is silent, assuming that current liabilities, I'm assuming, even if you don't assume, the treatment is different. Assuming the current liabilities relating to sports material outstanding. Sports material outstanding means the suppliers who supply to you the amount is outstanding. So that means this is nothing but creditors for sports material beginning, because you can see the payment has been made for sports material this year, and we are also having some sports material bills of the supplies of sports material 25,000 is outstanding. Bills of the supplies of sports material is outstanding. 25,000 is outstanding. That means we got payment for the current year. We also got outstanding for suppliers. So that means we are buying the material from a concern. Always you are buying and you are making payment. That means we assume that suppliers account is existing every year. It means the current liabilities which is appearing is nothing but that is, I can say, creditors for sports material. I'm assuming what is that? Creditors for sports material and expenditure of sports material paid. And this is here outstanding sports material. Then we will be getting the purchases of sports material made during the year, that you will be knowing. What is that you will be knowing? Purchase of sports material made during the year, and that is to be debited to income and expenditure, that will be opening an account. Okay. Then bills of the suppliers for prices is outstanding. You already paid 40,000 no, plus 5,000. Paid 40, payable 5. Total expenses is 45. This 40 plus 5,000 is to be subtracted from tell me, price fund. Price fund 1 lakh is there, no? Expenses for prices are 40 and still outstanding is 5,000. So I told you, whatever the expenditure which is being incurred for the fund that has been created, has been used, but like a price fund has been created. Now what is that you are doing? You are using that money for purchase of prices, so that will come down. Point number 1. Point number 2, amount which is outstanding, the outstanding amount is also to be adjusted to prices. Clear to all of you? Because paid and payable, this both are expenses, no? That is to be taken to deducted from price fund. The second thing is that price fund which is outstanding will appear on the balance sheet liabilities side. Now this is one other important point. Construction of building in progress. Contractor raises bills for 2,50,000 which has been approved by the management committee, comes under outstanding expenses. Sir, what do you mean by, sir? Construction of building in progress is called as capital work in progress. I'm using the term capital work in progress. Now here we got construction cost of building. This is completed construction, completed portion. Like you take example, you are having 2 floors. Ground floor has been completed. It is transferred to building account. When construction is in progress, we can't say building. We can use the term building when building is ready to fit for occupation. The building construction is completed, fit for occupation, then you can call the building account. When building is under construction, you can't say building. Building is under progress, building is under construction, it is called as capital work in progress. You see, dam, construction of a dam, construction of a bridge, construction of a bridge is in work in progress. We see work in progress boards, you can see. Metro, when they have started construction of metro train bridge, metro train pillars, you might have seen metro work is in progress. They never say pillars. They completed. Once it is completed, yes, metro project, metro line. We say flyover is in progress. Once it is completed, it becomes an asset. Otherwise, we need to use work in progress. Right, understand? It is called as capital work in progress. So the contractor raises the bill. He has complete 2,50,000 worth, which has been approved by the management. So this is having two effect. One will go to balance sheet asset side. The other will go to balance sheet liability side. Now you are asked to prepare income and expenditure. But the question is, we don't have closing balance. We don't have closing cash balance. So for that, we need to prepare receipts and payment account is working notes number 1. And we also need to open the Kratos for what is it called as sports material, and treatment of tournament fund, treatment of prize fund. Then we can start working out the problem. So directly I am taking you to solution today now. Okay, shall I start, my dear friends? Let me work out this. First I am going to open here we are having some opening balance, cash in hand, cash at bank 2,80,000, cash in hand 2 lakh, cash in hand 20,000. I told you receipts and payments account is summary of cash book. So even though in cash book you learned the chapter 3 column cash book, you maintain separate column for bank and cash. Here summary, we don't want that cash column receipts, bank column receipts. We want the opening balance, and we will be having receipts of cash receipts, bank receipts, cash payments, bank payments. So it combined, because the ultimate aim is to find out the result. Okay, so that is why we are least bothered about it. Then in receipts column, you got that few items: subscriptions, donations. These things will be taken receipts. These things will be taken to expenditure. I think you all are having the material. You can see that. To subscription, ten lakhs. Then you write to donations for tournament, to donation for tournament 15,000, to donation for prizes for prizes 25,000, Then to income for investments. Income from investments. $60,000. Okay. Then come back to payment side. By sports material, we got some payments here. 2,50,000 repaid to ground, wages to office staff, expenses for tournament, expense for prizes, construction cost of club building. Okay, so I think these all will go to payment side. By repairs to ground, sports material, 2,50,000, repairs to ground 50,000, wages to office staff, $2,50,000. By expenses for tournament, expenses for tournament 50,000 rupees. By expenses for prizes, expenses for prizes 40,000 rupees. By construction cost of club building, 1,25,000. You can check all the items have been completed. Just a minute. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 expenses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 receipts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here excluding these three, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Receipts 1, 2, 3, 4. Expenses 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, these expenses have been taken. Now we can go for closing of our cash balance. So here I am writing by balance carried on. By balance carried on. You can go for the total of the receipt side. 10 lakhs. Total is 3 lakhs plus 10, 13, 13, 15, 13, 40, 14 lakhs. You are getting the total. 14 lakhs. Now this balance carried on, we don't know cash and bank together because we don't have any information. So we assume this is cash and bank. This is going to be balancing figure. Here we got splitting in opening balance of cash and bank. Opening balance of cash and bank. Here the splitting is not there. So now 14 lakhs minus 2,50,000 minus 50,000 minus 2,50,000 minus 50,000 minus 40,000 minus 1,25,000. It is coming to 6,35,000. This closing balance is taken to closing balance sheet. Okay, the working notes number 1 is completed. Now working notes number 2, I'm going to explain you about suppliers of sports material. Suppliers of sports material account, or we can say suppliers are nothing but, I told you, we also can say creditors. Now I've told you creditors in the beginning is which is given in the balance sheet has been assumed as opening balance. I have told you, no, by balance brought down. It is 50,000. By balance brought down 50,000. Then you have to write to receipts and payment account, payment made for suppliers of material 2,50,000 is there, no? This is from where you have picked this one, opening balance sheet you have picked. Am I right? The creditors 50,000 has been taken. I have already given a note there. You can see this. Current, assuming current liabilities related to sports material outstanding, that is creditors for sports material. And what is the payment made for sports material? 2,50,000. What is bills of supplies of sports material outstanding? 25,000. This will be taken as to balance carry down closing balance 25,000. Now you can see total is 2,75,000. And I've told you one of in the beginning class how to open creditors account. So here the balancing figure is nothing but purchases of sports material transferred to which account? Income and expenditure account. This is going to be your balancing figure. That means by opening supplies of sports material account, that is creditors account, you are able to know what is the amount of sports material that is being purchased. Since we don't have any closing balance of sports material, we assume that entire sports material has been consumed during the year. So you will be getting 2,25,000. This is to be transferred to income and expenditure account. This is working notes number 2. Now coming back to working notes number 3 is about treatment of, as I told you, tournament fund. Tournament fund. See, opening balance of tournament fund. It is given in the opening balance sheet, that is 2 lakhs, and we also got receipts that we got from receipts and payment account. Receipts for tournament fund we have written here already. 15 donation for tournament fund, donation for prizes, and tournament fund opening balance you can see 2 lakhs and 1 lakh. Got it? So now receipts is coming to 15,000. You add it, 2 lakhs plus 15,000 minus expenses, you subtract it. Expenses 50,000, that is tournament fund expenses. It is coming to 215 minus 50, 1 lakh 65,000. Is this clear? This is closing balance of tournament fund taken to closing balance sheet which side, sir? Liabilities side. Get all of you, this is working notes number 3. Working notes number 4. Prize fund. Opening balance is rupees 1 lakh. Okay, plus receipts 25,000 minus expenses of prizes. Expenses of prizes. We have already seen that expense of prizes. It is there in the receipts and payment account also. 40,000. Expense for tournament 50,000. That I have already deducted here. Expense of prizes to be deducted. 40,000. And we also got some outstanding expenses. I told you expenses outstanding is to be subtracted from prize fund, and it will again appear in the balance sheet liabilities side. The reason is that when expenses are paid, expenses to prize fund to bank, you write. When prize fund expenses are outstanding, you write prize fund account data or to outstanding expenses. So it is to be subtracted. Sorry, prize fund shows credit balance note. In order to reduce prize fund entries, prize fund to bank 40,000. Prize fund to outstanding expenses 5,000. So bank will reduce. That is what 40,000 when payment has been made. Bank balance has been reduced. Am I right? You can see 40,000. When you are not making payment, when it is outstanding, what is the entry? Decrease in prize fund, increase in outstanding liability. Impact will be there in the balance sheet liabilities side. So it is coming to 80,000. Okay. So this will be taken to balance sheet liabilities. Prize fund. Closing balance of prize fund will appear on liability side of balance sheet. Here I am writing a note. Outstanding expenses will appear outstanding expense of prices will appear on balance sheet liabilities side. Clear to all of you? The next point. I have told you already the construction building which is in progress. This point. Construction of building is progress. Contractor raises the bill for 2,50,000. I told you it is called as capital work in progress. It will appear in the balance sheet and also it will appear on the liability side. Construction of Construction of building in progress. Okay. Rupees 2,50,000 will appear on the asset side of balance sheet. B. Rupees 2,50,000 also will appear on the liability side of balance sheet as amount due to contractor. As amount due to contract. As amount due to contract. Right. Now we can start solution. Income and expenditure account for the year ending. This is Delhi Club, no? For the year ended 31st December 2015. Okay, we start with first. Already we got receipts and payment, no? In receipts and payment account, what are the items that will be taken to income and expenditure? Subscription will be taken to income and expenditure, and that's it. Income from investment, these two will be taken to income side. Expenditure side, uh, the sports material concept, you've already prepared working notes. 2,25,000 debited. Repairs to ground will be taken to income and expenditure. Wages to office staff will be taken. Expenses of tournament has been deducted from there, and expenses for prizes also has been deducted. Only for the time being we are having two items, but if you look at the problem, we are having few more expenses. Audit fees, this is having double impact. Income and expenditure, balance sheet. So is the case of stationery. Income and expenditure, balance sheet, because stationery is outstanding. Fees of coach, similarly, one is income and expenditure, then second is balance sheet. Clear? And depreciation on sports equipment, this is to be taken to which account? Income and expenditure account. So we keep on writing this. So let me start with first income. We are having only two items, so I think that is simple. Buy subscriptions, we don't have any adjustment on that. Buy subscriptions 10 lakhs. Okay, then buy income from other investments. Income from other investment coming to 60,000 rupees. Okay, then come back to debit side. To sports material, used. You're done working notes number 2. We got 2,25,000. We opened Kratos for sports material. I've already explained you. Then repair to ground has been given in receipts and payment account. Repairs to ground 50,000. The wages also has been given in the problem. Wages 2,50,000 debit. Then we got audit fee outstanding as given in outstanding expenses 3,000. Stationery outstanding, I've told you it also debited. So stationery outstanding 4,000 rupees. Then after that we got fees of coach. This is also outstanding 40,000. Now last item, depreciation on sports equipment. Depreciation on sports equipment 20%. What is sports equipment? 50,000. On 50,000, 20% is coming to 10%. See it, all of you? That's it. Now we can find out surplus or deficit. I think credit side is appear to be more, so therefore surplus, that is surplus means excess of income over expenditure. Excess of income over expenditure. Now this is 10,60,000 here total. $10,60,000. We can keep on deducting the expenses which are there on the 10,60,000 minus 2,25,000 minus 50,000 minus 2,50,000 minus 3,000 minus 4,000 minus 40,000 minus 10,000. So you are getting surplus of 4,78,000. This is to be added to capital fund. You know, whenever any surplus like a net profit is there, that we add to capital, no, the same thing. Surplus is to be added to capital fund, deficit is to be deducted from capital fund. Now we'll move on to balance sheet. Balance sheet as at 31st December 2015. I've been telling you the format. I am not can't write for every problem, but in the examination don't write the way I am writing. Liabilities, assets, everything you should write. Amount in rupees. Don't lose marks by, because it's a foundation course, no. So they also give weightage for your format, my dear friends. Okay, so be watchful when writing the format. Liabilities, amount in rupees, assets, amount in rupees. Let me start with first capital fund. We are having, since I can't draw lines wasting of your time, inner column also you can write one column. So 11 lakhs capital fund has been given in the problem. To this we need to add surplus. We got surplus of 4 lakhs. Here itself we got surplus of 4 lakhs. 78,000 is to be added plus surplus 4 lakh 78, it is coming to 15 lakh 78,000. Then we got tournament fund, we have already done working notes. We also got some prize fund, that also working notes has been done by us. Tournament fund working notes number 3, it is 1 lakh 65. Prize fund working notes number 4, 80,000. So it is coming to 1 lakh 65,000. Prize fund working notes number 4, 80,000. Then liabilities, we are having like amount due to contractor is there, no, 2,50,000. Working notes number 5 are written. Amount due to contractor for building, club building under progress, working notes number 5. Is it 5 or 4? Just number, working notes number 5. Amount due to contractor working notes number 5, 2,50,000. Then we are having some outstanding expenses. Outstanding audit fee 3,000. Outstanding stationery 4,000. Outstanding fees of coach 40,000. Outstanding prize fund 5,000. Come back to asset side. Leasehold ground 4,50,000. Sports equipment 50,000 inner column less depreciation 40,000. Then we got some furniture, we don't have any depreciation closing balance. We assume that furniture there is no reduction or increase. Tournament fund same. Prize fund there is no information on this. All these items will appear as a closing balance except sports equipment, cash at bank, cash in hand. Okay. Then furniture opening balance is being continued. Furniture 50,000 rupees. Then comes other investments 3 lakhs. Other investment 3 lakhs. Investment and tournament fund We are having investment, three investments: investment in tournament fund, investment in prize fund, other investments. So 2 lakhs and 1 lakh. Then I told you capital work in progress. Capital work in progress I have already given. Is nothing but building and club building under construction. 2,50,000. And constructed building is there, no? Building constructed is given in the payment side. We have taken 1,25,000. Then cash and bank coming to 6,35,000. 15,78,000. 1,65,000 plus 80,000 plus 2,50,000 plus 7,000, 3 plus 4 plus 7,000 plus 40 plus 5, 45,000. It is coming to no, 15,78,000 plus 1,65,000 plus 80 plus 2,50,000. One item is missing, that 25,000 is, this I have not written, that is why we are getting difference. 2,50,000, 21,50,000 is answer. Amount due to suppliers of sports material is there, no? 25,000. This is working notes number 2. We have done it. Amount due to, you can see working notes number 2. This is taken to closing balance sheet. Which side, my dear friend? Liability side. Creditors, no? Amount due to outsiders. So therefore the total is, you're getting 21,50,000. The same total you should get on the asset side also. 21,50,000. You can keep on deducting. It becomes zero. The total has been tallied. 6,35,000 minus 1,25,000 minus 2,50,000 minus 1 lakh minus 2 lakhs minus 3 lakhs minus 50,000 minus 40,000 minus 4,50,000 is getting in zero. That means balance sheet has been tallied. Clear to all of you? This is how you should work out. And I told you one short question was there in the beginning in today's class that I'll be working out. So what I do, since you have done this, I think that short question which I haven't explained you, yeah, this one. These all are IPCC problems actually. May 2015 IPCC. Come on, see. Before I start explaining, you see, can you try this? I'm giving 1 minute, 2 minutes time for you to read the problem. Sports material account, just now we have seen. That is the advantage you are having. Okay, any idea on this? From the following information of Messrs. Officers Sports Club, a non-profit organization, calculate point number one, the total cost of sports material consumed in the club and sales value of sports material during the year 14-15. Sports material consumed formalize opening stock of sports material plus purchases minus closing stock of sports material. See, in the previous problem which you have worked out, we don't have any opening balance of sports material, closing balance. Therefore, I told you we assume that entire sports material has been consumed. Now, this is the perfect problem. Even in the previous problem, the purchase of sports material was not given. So, we have opened which account? Creditors for sports material. That is this problem I have been linking to the seventh problem. So, if you see opening balance of sports material, previous problem it was not there. Closing balance was not there. Sports material payment has been made was there. Just you recollect yourself. Receipts and payment account, this is payment, no? Or say purchase of sports material by paying cash. When you are having creditors, it means you are making payment here. Sports material receipts and payment account purchase. So similarly here, when you look at it, sports material purchase in cash is nothing but payment to suppliers. Sir, how you'll be knowing payment to suppliers now? Because we are having the information of payment made to creditors for this is sorry, this here we got it. Generally, if this is not there, then we can assume this is sports material purchase in cash. That means we are having payment made to creditors for sports material. We are also having sports material purchase in cash. Suppose if you don't have this information, then with this we can assume that payment has been made for creditors. But that means we are having two informations: sports material purchased in cash, payment of made to creditors of sport, not spoils. It is sports material. Okay, so payment made to creditors of sports material. Creditors of sports material opening is there, closing is there. Now the question is that out of the sports material used during the year, 40% was consumed by the club and the remaining was sold at a profit of 20% on cost. That means sports material used by the club and the sports material which is having excess has been sold at a profit of 20% on cost. So first of all we should know the total cost of sports material consumed. I must know total sports material consumed. I want out of that 40% is consumed, 60% has been sold. 40% was consumed by the club, remaining was sold at a profit. Is this clear? So that for that I am taking out the solution here. First I'll do one thing. Sports material purchased on credit, for which I am opening an account called as Creditors for sports material. Last class, previous problem, I have written receipts and payment because the information was receipts and so cash, or we can write receipts and payment account. Then here purchases credit. Now this is balancing figure. So let me take you to the problem here. Opening 23,200, closing 29,400, payment is 64,300. These three information I am taking here. Buy balance brought down opening 23,200, closing balance given 29,400, to cash payment 64,300. You can cross check once again. 29,400, 23,200, 64,300. Then we'll be getting buy purchases balancing figure. $64,300 plus 29,400, 93,700. 93,700 minus 23,200. You are getting 70,500. Now, this is working notes number 1 is for sports material purchased on credit. Now, total sports material purchased during the year. The last class we don't have cash purchases. This time we are having, this is what I have told you. You should not have any confusion. We got here, this is cash purchases. This is payment to creditors. Payment to creditors. If suppose this cash purchase this payment to creditors is not there, then we can assume this is a payment to creditors. We got two different things. Cash purchase is also there. Payment to creditors means creditors purchase is also there. So cash purchases plus credit purchases will become total purchases. I repeat once again. Cash purchases plus credit purchases is equal to total purchases. Just now we got credit purchases from working notes number 1, 70,500. So cash purchases given 23,500, no? $23,500. So cash purchases 23,500. Credit purchases 70,500. Total is 94,000 is total purchases. Clear? Total purchases 94,000. Now, working notes number 3. Actually, the solution starts now. What was the question given there? Solution or working notes? Total sports material consumed. Here two types of consumption we are having. By club and outsiders. Okay, club has been consumed and they have also sold to outsiders. No, it is by club and outsiders. A. Opening balance of sports material or we can say opening stock or we can say opening inventory 56,800, closing 32,900. Plus purchases, we have done working notes number 1 and 2 here, that is cash purchase plus credit purchases. Working notes number 2, 94,000. This is also given 32,000. 900. Take the calculator. 56,800 plus 56,800 plus 94,000 minus 32,900. You are getting 1,17,900. This is total sports material consumed. Now, the second part of the question, what is asking, out of the total sports material used during the year, 40% was consumed by the club, remaining was sold at 20%. He is asking sales value of sports material during the year, which is nothing but 60%. That is to be CP plus profit, you will be getting selling price. That means 40% they have consumed, 60% they have sold. So, sales value of sports material, that is sold to outsiders, 60% of 1,17,900 at a profit of 20% on cost. Okay, so that we should find out. So 60% of total sports material is equal to 1,17,900 into 60%. It is coming to 70,740 plus profit. What is profit? That is 20% on 70,740, because cost price now into 20%. It is coming to 14,148. Now 70,740 plus this one, you are getting 84,888 is sold. Okay, sales value of sports materials. So I think this has given you clarity, hope. So tomorrow's class, I think we have completed exercise 1 has been completed by us. Got it? Then second exercise, I think you hope you You all have done this. You're maintaining notes on this. Fourth is completed now. This has been completed in previous class. First problem has been completed. Now this tomorrow we take up this. Tomorrow we take up this. Next class. Next class we start doing this, because we are having information of income and expenditure and other information with which we need to prepare receipts and payment account. This will take in the next class, and then after that followed by this one. This is also to be completed. Third one again, preparation of receipts and payment account. I think these two problems will do a word of good for you. This has been already completed, so I think second and third so far is left out, and this also has been completed by us. This is what's opening balance sheet and closing balance sheet. So the pending problems are second, third, sixth are pending. Second, third and sixth for the time being. Then seventh is also completed today. Now then we'll be having this problem where trial balance has been given. So second, third, sixth, no? A second, third, sixth and eighth. So 4 problems. It will take 3 days approximately for me to finish off if you go by this speed. Okay, ninth also there. Ninth also we can try. Ninth. So we are having 5. I think 4 days minimum it will take. So then we can conclude the 10th problem. I told you this is a standard fund, tournament specific fund, high adjustments. It is not there in the. We have taken this material from IPCC as it is. So because the syllabus is same, but these two problems last class I told you 10th and 11th is high standard one. At this stage you don't need for the time being. Okay, if any mock test paper, RTP, anything is there, they definitely I will take out, but for the time being you don't have any problem on this, right? So with this let me conclude for the day. We'll meet in the next class. I hope you all are following. So okay, my dear friends, good luck. God bless you all.